Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change assistant menu button size in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to change size of our button. We need to go to menu, to settings menu first, then we are looking for accessibility options, next interaction and dexterity, and here we have our assistant menu. To turn it on, allow, we have assistant menu button right here. How to change its size? We need to go to assistant menu, and here it is, assistant menu size. By default it's medium. We can of course make it larger or make it smaller. Not very big difference, but it's here if you need it. And turn it off if we want to. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.